I can hear your father, turn your cheek, don't fight. I'm rapping my tail off, I'm shipping the mail off. I'm getting my prayers off, taking my hands off. I wake in the morning and get out the box like Kellogg's. So much from day to
yo, yo. What up, chat? Morning, morning, morning. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What up, everyone? All right. How y'all feeling?
Recording in progress.
All right. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yes, sir. Happy Thursday. How we feeling today, everyone? What's goody? What's goody? How y'all doing? Louis G in the building. What's good? What's good? How you feeling, Louis G? Zyper in the house. What up, Xander? What up, Stevie Mac? What's good? What's good? What's good? All right, party time. Band's counting up in the building. What's goody, my friend? What's goody? What up, Xander? What's good? Morning, Tamra. What up, Jaguar? Buzzblab in the house. What up, Yogi? How y'all feeling? Oh my God, Mr. George VDM. Way to come and take over the place. Stephen B in the house. What up, everyone? What up? Welcome in, welcome in. Let's go ahead and get started. We're a little late here, so let's go ahead and begin. Shall we begin? Yeah. The Don is here. What's up? What's up? Pia Magnifico, Carolina. Yeah, what's goody? What's goody? All right, let's get started, man. It's what is today? Thursday, I think, right? Let me refresh. yeah, Thursday the 23rd, another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, disciplined, professional in the markets. Let's go ahead and pray for that, and then we will begin. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for this golden opportunity, Lord. We thank you for such a time, such a place like this to be living in, to be traded in, Lord. We just give you all the glory for making us professionals, Lord. We thank you for protecting us, protecting our minds, Lord, our hearts, our bodies. Just give you the glory for everyone here trying, Lord. Everyone here who's putting their faith in you, walking that path that at sometimes there's no light on it, Lord. So we rely on faith, and we thank you for your word that is the guide to our path, Lord. We give you the glory for it. We ask that you come in and bless this session today, and we thank you in advance in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Blessings to you and your fam. Let's rock and roll here. Again, today is the 23rd of January, so creeping towards the end of the month here. It's been a great month, great start to the year, but doesn't look like we have anything too crazy in the headlines Thursday. So we do have unemployment claims, retail sales coming in, all that good stuff today. I don't know why I thought the whole morning today was Wednesday, but yeah, today actually is Thursday. So 8:30 news coming in for the CAD, USD news right here at 8:30, unemployment claims. You also have Trump speaking. It's huge. Yo, this is awesome. It's been a minute since we had a Trump speech in the headlines as a red folder here for the US dollar. Ain't it great? Oh man, make trading great again here, Mr. President. And that's about it. That's about it for the day. Crude oil inventories as well coming in, and that's it. We got PMI, I believe, tomorrow, and that's the week. That is the week. Is this the last week of the year? I'm sorry, the year of the month. Is it? Oh, no, next week. Okay, anyway, let's, yeah, the Trump speech. Facts. Drill, baby, drill. Yeah, you gotta follow the money, man. You gotta follow the money. Let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis, though, here. If you guys can, give the stream a like for me. Sub to the channel if you're not subbed. And let's go ahead and do a fresh analysis here on Goldie. So, man, just as anticipated here. So let's talk about the daily time frame real quick. So as you can tell, right, we've had price kind of pushing up for quite some time. Let's go ahead and grab this tool right here. Whoa. Hold on. Zoom. One moment. Where'd my zoom go here? There we go. Zoom, share screen, that's good. Blah. All right, cool. All right, let me just get the zoomers in here. Almost forgot about the zoomers. Boom. All right, cool. All right. All right, clubhouse, good to go. Music should be good. How's the music, chat? How's the music before I begin the breakdown? Zoomers. Music's good. You hear echo. No way. What do you mean? We got an echo. I think you're talking about the let's go from the intro. Yeah. I think that's what you mean. All right, let's do this. So let's talk about the daily time frame here because it is an interesting one that we got going on here today. So look, I mean, obviously we've been in this bullish movement, right, on the way up here for on the daily time frame, but now we've officially cleared that entire range, right? So it's officially been done. Prices come up in here. We've actually closed above the range, right, with yesterday's candle. So let's take a look at this. So you have, the day before, right? So you had this candle here, which was Tuesday, right? Close above. Now, if this was a 30-minute time frame, I would be looking at this overall range here as a observation zone, meaning I want to see what happens in this zone. I want to see, are we going to push through? Are we going to fill it? Are we going to reject? What's going to happen within this range here, right? Above there is a very clean range moving up. The buys look really good above there. Below, it's okay. But in here, I want to see how is price going to react. So it looks like price ended up basically filling that range there, right? So we filled the range, and now it was only right that this next candle here broke the low. So in the clubhouse, we spoke about this yesterday, right? About this daily candle here heading south today, breaking those lows there, and eventually being able to move down. So perfect read on the daily time frame when it comes to that. I thought we could at least maybe get like a little bit of a flip, right, and some sort of a like wick up here, but we didn't get that. So price is just cruising down at this point. We broke daily lows a little while ago. 4-hour candles are filling the wick. Did this 4-hour candle close below here? Yeah, I think the 4-hour candle closed below earlier, and yeah, we're just continuing to head south. So we have this full range to be able to maybe earn some pips in. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is moving down here. We've got a closure below on the 1 hour. Okay, very nice. 30-minute looking pretty good here as well. And yeah, that looks pretty good to me. 15-minute, I think I'm going to wait for a closure below here. And if we get a close below on the 15, then this looks money to continue running here. Yeah. Money. You got a 132 pip range. Damn. So we'll see. We'll see if we could battle through these wicks, close below, and then that's my play right there. That's what I've come here for today. 3 minutes, so we'll see about 8:15. How you guys doing? You're hearing me twice. Oh man, I'll pray for you. Oh, you had 2 windows open. Ha. There you go. Today is Kingston's birthday, chat. Would you believe it? 1 year ago, I was sitting at my desk on the live stream, and Anna's like, yeah, I think I'm going to go to the hospital. Feeling like we might have this baby. Remember that? And I'm like, So, yeah, I think we're going to have a baby today. And, yeah, that was 1 year ago. Isn't that crazy? Time flies when you're having fun, doesn't it? Yeah, bro. What up, Clubhouse? We got birthday cakes falling on the Clubhouse. Let's go for Kingman. Yeah, sir. What up, everyone? What up? Nice trade in London, gang. So I was holding a sell from literally Asian session last night. Took a loss on that one after this massive drive down. But in London, we did catch this celery play right here. Right here, 315. Ended up closing partials as price came basically right into this range here. I'm sorry, it was this one right here. And that was it. Yeah, runner got hit at B. Thought we could maybe get that push, right, to give that daily candle a little bit of a top wick today, but wasn't able to do that. So we just ended up continuing to drive down here. So the bleeders just continue on Goldie. Hey, Kingman with the birthday love. I'm new here. Welcome, Peter. Just stick around, brother. It takes time to learn. It takes time to learn. So you won't learn it all in one day, but if you come hang out and you get consistent and you start to ask good questions and start to apply what you're learning, you'll do very well. Very well. I'm very confident that if you come to this stream often enough, you will begin to see better results. 1 year. I know. So fast, right? So fast. He's up on 2 now and walking around and doing his thing. Yeah, it was like, these kids, man, one day they're just trying to walk and then the next day they're just walking machines. I had a sell in Asian too, took a massive L. Damn. Yeah, I took a buy in Asian. 8 a.m. bringing the heat here. Let's see how the 15 does. What's the impact of gold when Trump speaks? It just depends on what he says. So, Trump does like to say a lot of like eyebrow raising kind of comments, so that typically tends to, move the market around a little bit. – Nice PM Magnifico. That was a beauty off the 1 hour, right? Was that 1 hour? I think I seen that on the 1 hour. Yeah, that was nasty. Nice trade. Yeah, this play right here is money to go fill that wick all day, especially in a bearish environment like we got here. Ah, man, candle closing no wick. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for the 30 here. You know, we got news coming up anyway, so just gonna chill out, relax, and wait for familiar price action that makes sense for me to take an entry. Yeah, unemployment claims. What's up, Zach? Bands counted up. What up, chill spot? It's all good. L's are okay. Taking losses is not a big deal. What up, J Trades? Doing fantastic, G. How about you? What's up, Landon? My man. So I did grab another Combine account because honestly I'm stacking XFAs right now. So stacking these live accounts, 3 150s, 150. I just grabbed another 50 for the heck of it. So we'll see if we can put that to work at some point today. But yeah. Yeah, this XFA here is just about due for a payout, I believe. I think I need one more day here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need one more day of 200 plus. So maybe we'll get that tomorrow. And then this is 2 accounts here. So I'm up about 1,500 on both, so up about 3,000 on, you know, between the 2, and I'll probably take a payout on one of them for like half of the profit. Leave the other one. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a little $200 day tomorrow and hit a little payout. Little payout. So let's see what happens here, man. Got unemployment claims coming in, so percentage on the payouts, you could take half or up to $5,000. So if I take half, basically, let's just say I cap it at 200 tomorrow, so I will make it 1670. So if I took half on both accounts, I could take basically 1,600. So, and I probably will do that. I probably will do it just to take a payout. Oh my God, excuse me. Difference between a XFA and a Combine. So a Combine is like a challenge account, right? So you know in Forex where you have basically like phase 1 and 2 is like a challenge account, and then you go over to like the live account. Oh my God, live account. So this is like a Combine, and this is like a XFA. So once you get to the XFA, you can actually request payouts. So in futures, you don't have the step 2. You know what I mean? That's just not there. So it's just one Combine, and then if you pass that, you're over to the XFA, and then technically that's still another challenge, right? Because now you got to get, the challenge really is 5 days of $200, right? So once you get to that, now you can get to the payout stage, and then you could request half of what you got. So if you made let's say you made $1,000 every day on your account, and you made $5,000, I mean, you could take 2,500, you know, so on your first payout, and then you could take, I think you could take the full thing on any other payout after that. So sometimes you're going to see me take these 50Ks. You're going to probably see me blow a lot of 50Ks too, because 50Ks, I'm basically treating that like a trade. Like I'm going to get a 50K Combine for 1 trade, 2 trades. And that trade might either lose or win, right? So basically I'm either going to lose the account or lose $50, or win and get a XFA with $2,000 of, you know, capital to play with. and then probably just literally drain the XFA. Like once it's payout time, just literally drain the whole thing, dump the account, take the profits, start a new account, and then just repeat that process. The 150s though, I'm gonna try and hang on to, and treat those ones with a little bit more respect. Yeah, the year's been great though. The year has definitely been off to a good start. Might have a red day here today. We'll see if we could bounce back, but so far so good. So far so good. I did make a 2-week evaluation video that's dropping today, I believe, later on today. So in that 2-week evaluation, I do talk about this day right here that kind of could have really got the best of me. Could have got the best of me. Tried to battle back, and just the market wasn't letting me do that. You know what I mean? So at some point you got to realize that, and you got to call it. You know what I mean? So this day was worse than it should have been. It should have been negative 500. It ended up negative 1900, but it could have been worse had I continued on there. So sometimes you're just not going to be able to get that red day back, and that's okay. You can't battle back from every single loss you take, and in a couple hours. Some days you just have to leave that day red and move on to the next one. What's your opinion on pulling out profits from your personally funded account? I'm up about 6,000. So my thoughts in this business is when the money's there, take it. Straight up. So if 6,000 is something that you feel can actually help you and can go a long way, I would take it. I would take a little withdrawal and then continue on trading. Or at least give yourself a little 5K, a little something for your hard work. Well, damn, my bad. I'm like 35 comments above here in Zoom. Johnny Gems in the house. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up?
What's up, brother?
How are you?
What's happening? Happy birthday, King Man. Let's go.
Oh, King Man's birthday today. Let's get it.
Oh. What's good, G? How we feeling?
Excellent. How about you?
Blessed and highly favored, like always.
Very good, very good.
Yep.
15 gonna go here with no bottom wick, it looks like. We got news coming in
no bottom wick.
About 8 minutes, I believe.
What's up, chat? How we feeling? Happy Thursday.
Oh, yes. Am I no longer updating my wins and losses? No, I'm going to be updating my red days and green days, because that's the most important thing. Yeah, because it kind of looks stupid with nothing there. So let's go ahead and do that now. I meant to do that yesterday. Let's see here. Win rate.
Another day to be professional traders. Let's go.
Red days.
Yeah, man. What a nice move down there on gold.
Beautiful. Okay, green days, red days. So let's go ahead and see how does that look on the... It looks all right. Looks all right. All right, so as of right now, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 green days here for the month. And we have 1 red day. Bam.
Bro.
Let's pop.
I love that way better.
Way better.
Like, let's instead of doing wins and losses of trade, let's do, are we green or red? How many green days do we have and how many red days do we have? That makes
Wait,
sense.
you mean you don't want to jump up and down after making 3 pips? W's in the chat! Another W! 900th win in a row! Everyone clap for me! Yo! Like, come on. Oh, man.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, where's the other one?
Facts, bro. I don't care about how many wins you got. I want to see how many green days you got.
There we go. Monthly. Green days. Red days.
Just as anticipated, 4-hour wick fill.
Yeah.
Lovely.
All right, how does that look? Let me take a look here. That looks pretty good.
Oh, I'm about to peep it.
Yeah, gang, because look, you could have a record of 12 wins, 3 losses, and still not be green. So I'm done with the whole trade record. 3 pips, 9 pips, this pip, that pip, your pip, my pip. Who cares, man? Who cares? How many days are you green? Are you making money? Are you really doing this thing? What's the vibe looking like? That's really all that matters. King Kong.
That's freaking W. Way to simplify win records in trading.
Yeah. Yeah, because I mean, it's just stupid. It's just stupid to look at someone else's record anyway. But the fact of I could take a win for like 4 pips and call that a win, or take a loss for like 3 pips and call that a loss is just kind of stupid in my opinion.
Yeah, facts.
We no longer do that over here.
No, sir. We are professionals.
How much profit is it most important? Yeah. Not really, because I would still love to watch someone with a bunch of green days that doesn't really make that much profit, but they take good trades and they stack green days, right? Because that's really how you get ahead. So I don't really care how much profit they make. It's just, are you doing well day by day? That's the main thing. Yeah, especially like moving into like putting myself into an owner of a hedge fund position. I don't really care how much profit it is. I just want to see the fact that the trader's trading well. He's stacking green days. He's handling his red days and her red days and treating trading like a business. I would have taken a sell here had the 15 not close, or had it close with a wick. So now I'm just going to wait on news in 2 minutes. Lego.
Would you have gotten on that 1 hour, or
Yeah,
would you think of that
probably.
30 no bottom wick?
Nah, I would have gotten on the break of the lows to fill that wick. I think, you know what I mean? I can't say 100% because I wasn't at the desk, but
Yeah, like some people put their trust in the higher time frames. I could see that. The 30-minute no bottom wick just sketched me out there, so
yeah.
stayed out.
I blew an account yesterday. That's all good, man. Honestly, blowing an account at this point is like losing a trade. Like, especially with the futures vibe, like how you don't have to pay the full price. Like, think about a 50K account in most Forex. You got to pay like $300 up front. 50K in futures, all you got to do is lay out $50 and let it rip from there. So if you lose an account, I would get rid of that perception, that stigma of, I lost an account, I'm horrible. All you did was really lose 2 trades. And like I was saying yesterday, if an account costs you $50 and you lost that account in 2 trades, you lost $25 per trade. It's really not a big deal. Just get a new account, who cares, and just keep it moving. Just keep it moving, right? You don't want to sit on these combines and challenges forever anymore. Like, man, I just feel like for the last couple years, us as traders, we would sit in these accounts. We would sit in these demo accounts forever, you know, looking to pass them or trying to get to the, we got to phase 2, phase 1, now it's phase 2, you know what I mean? It's like, why not just get it over with? If you guys notice, all 4 of these, $500,000 in live capital now, was all basically developed in about a 3-day period on each account. Right, each of them were passed in about three trading days or 3 trades. So we're playing a different game now, you know, and I'm gonna try and explain it, but more so lead, and you know, hopefully it all makes sense to you guys, and those that can fit it into their budget. I think it's a great way, great strategic way to go about the combines and whatnot. So no, I use the normal one. I just use the regular GC chart, Dan.
No, for real, dude. And I agree too with what you're saying, especially with the budget. Like your budget, the budget you have for combines per month or per quarter, however you go about it, is basically your trading account. If you think about it,
exactly.
You know, like if you were putting in a personal account, then the combines is what you're willing to risk per trade, right?
Yep.
Is what we're pretty much talking about.
Yeah. So instead of putting $500 in a trading account, buy 1, 2, 3, 4.
10,
you could buy like 10. You could buy like 10 50Ks. All right, let's take a look here. So unemployment claims 223 from 221. So numbers are a little higher. We'll see how that reacts here on gold. 15-minute kind of closed pretty odd there. So 1 hour is still open here. We'll see how everything closes up in, like, I'd say 15 minutes. I would really love to see something like this. Let me show you guys. So if we can get like a push up and then a new closure now, like below, I think the whole range should be filled. So something like this would be ideal. And then sell stops on this candle right here. Keep an eye out. I have a 2-week evaluation video drop in today. Probably drop it at some point today. Oh my god. Just going over the first 2 weeks really of the year and kind of chopping it up a little bit. My 2-week evaluation coming up. Yeah, I'll post it in a little while. Do I just use the 15? I use 15 or 30, sometimes 1 hour. Most of my trades are all taken off the 15 or 30 minute. There go. So hey, when you have a 150K account, when you get to the profit target, do you get 80% of the profits? You get 100% of the profits up until 10,000. And then once you've taken over 10,000, now your profit split is a 90-10. You keep 90, they keep 10, and that's it. Yeah, up for the first 10K though, you get 100%. And you can withdraw max 5K per account. So that's how it is.
The 90-10 split's a freaking amazing split as well. Profit split.
Yeah.
Can't really beat that.
So again, if you have a $500 budget over here, right, that means that you could afford 10 50K accounts, right? And so instead of starting a broker or live account with 500 in it, which you'll probably lose in 1 trade, 2 trades, why not have the opportunity for 10 opportunities to go ahead and get funded so you can take advantage of that. So that's kind of like my thoughts, and I'm going to take advantage of that this year big time.
And if you don't if you don't like the drawdown amount you get with the 50K, keep in mind you get to build your own drawdown. Like you can build the drawdown up to a 150K drawdown as well. So you're getting in for a 50K account and basically making it a 150K or whatever you want to make it, right? Once that's funded and you build the drawdown.
Yeah, so basically what he's saying is if you have a 50K account and you bring it to a 60K account, that means now you have 10K drawdown to play with. So that's how it works. So you start with your negative, I think you're allowed, 2,000 break even, and then this is your profit, right? So once you get over 2,000 in profit, you no longer have this available. Does that make sense? Any questions? Once you go 2K in profit, this trails. So now your new max loss is break even. So keep that in mind, because on my first XFA account, I messed that up a little bit. So I was in profit, but went back to BE and lost the account, that first XFA I had. So keep that in mind, right? Now, as you continue to build, let's say now you got 4,000 or 4,500, right? Now this becomes your buffer right here. So you got 45,000 or 4,500 as a buffer. So let's say you want to take a payout there. You can take half of that. So half of that is what? 25 or something? Let's just call it 2,200, right? So let's say you take 2,200. So if you minus 4,600 minus 2,200 minus 2,200 equals 2,400, right? So now you take home 2,400 goes into your pocket, and now your drawdown is 2,400, right? So now whatever this is, so now your drawdown begins from, let's say this is 2,400 right here. Now you got that much of a buffer until you build more, and then if you build more, then that buffer extends. Cool. Pretty sick model. So you could take advantage of it, if you can strategize properly. All right, we're just going to bleed here. We may just bleed. 30 looked pretty good. 1 hour candle still open. News didn't really do too much. Pretty much same numbers. Let's take a look at NQ, because I have been taking some NQ trades as well lately. So we're in the range here. So if we can get up out of this range, I think we have some opportunity. Yeah, I took a few trades there on NASDAQ over the last couple days, more so in power hour. So I've been taking trades around a couple trades around 3 p.m. John, was that enough? Oh, hold on one sec. John's muted. Hold on one sec. Why can't I unmute you? There we go. Rafi. Rafi's in the house.
Good morning.
How are you, Rafi? How are you?
Rafi.
Great, brother.
Looking like a United States citizen again.
What up, brother?
Wow.
Yeah, bro. We're back. We're back. How you doing, chat? How are you feeling today?
Oh, hold on. Let me set you guys up properly here.
Blessed and highly favored. What about you, bro?
That's what I love to hear, my guy. Blessed,
Yep.
my guy. Blessed.
Go. W.
Blessed.
There you go.
Yeah. Been blessed.
Wait, why can't I get John on here? What's going on?
Another day blessed by God.
You want to
nice
know, my
day.
guy.
Yup. One and only.
Aha.
Nice trade, J. Coop. Good work, dude. I thought news was going to have a little bit more of an impact there.
Bro, am I tripping? Why can't I get these guys up here? Hold on.
Good morning.
Oh, here we go. I got it. There we go. Stephen B in the house. What's up, Stephen B? What up, OGH?
Even
How are you, brother?
OGH.
There we go.
Now we're back.
How we doing?
Doing amazing, my G. How about you?
Yeah, man, incredible. Really, really good.
Better than I deserve.
Better than I deserve. How can I help you today, Rafi?
Yeah.
Gold bleeder. Wow.
Yeah. That 30-minute was the move. I stayed out though with news.
Yeah, so took a really nice trade there on Nasdaq. Nasdaq yesterday. Let me see if I click this, will it bring? Oh, nice, it will bring the trade. So I'm working on a little something that maybe I could present to you guys at the right time. It's too early yet. I don't have good data, good read yet, but it seems to be working. So this was one of the trades I took on the Nasdaq, which was a pretty good trade. This was this one right here. You had a nice little closure below, clean traffic to the left, just straight push down in a matter of like seconds. So that was one trade I took. How do I go back there to see all those trades again? NQ,
Yeah, what a
NQ.
move that was, dude.
Okay, yeah, so this one here was really nice too. Oh, sorry, that was the same one. Hold on, let me go back. That was right here. Yeah, right here. So this one was fire. This one yo, this moved so fast. This gave me about 75 pips in a matter of 7 seconds. No lie.
Yeah, that was crazy, dude.
Goner. Goner. So
That
keep
was a
an eye.
1 minute candle.
Oh yeah, by the way, this is a 1 minute time frame.
Oh shoot.
By the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. 75
Push was in
pips
1 minute.
in less than 75 seconds. Come to the YouTube live streams and learn how to make 75 pips in less than 75 seconds. Yeah, so I've been looking at Power Hour just a bit, you know what I mean? Just having some fun with it. Was there any other Nasdaq trades? I think we seen that one, right?
The cells.
Yeah, I think that was it. Just
That was
those
really
two.
Yeah.
Just those two there.
Yo, that 1 minute, was that in the same strategy or something else that you looked
Same
at?
strategy, same thing.
Nice.
Yeah. The volume is so high at that time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just a few, not too many. Obviously, they're all still pretty much gold there, but yeah, just looking into basically trading Power Hour a little bit when I'm around. You know, most days I'm not around for that, but it is nice because there is a lot of volume during that time, as you can see.
Yeah.
How do you pull up the chart that shows your daily wins and losses? Which one, brother? What time? Those trades were taken around like 3:15 p.m. Eastern. So I'm gonna keep looking into it and stuff. Good evening. Is there a good bot you can recommend? I recommend you be the bot. You become the bot.
You're the bot.
Get so good, get so disciplined, and just act like a robot.
Yes, sir.
Go to my Instagram at it's Nick Stewart with an underscore. I posted something yesterday. I said, look, the market is ruthless. It doesn't care if you're tired, frustrated, or down bad. You either show up with discipline or you get wrecked. So at the end of the day, you have to be the bot. You have to be the bot for your own business. Otherwise, you get wrecked.
The markets discipline you.
You know what I mean?
Traders will be better off thinking like a robot versus thinking like a human. Mind blowing.
Yeah. Oh, TradeZella?
Yeah, bro, this is not. This is not a
you
human
have to.
activity, to be honest.
Right.
Be thinking differently.
Facts, dude.
So that's in trades. So if you see on the left hand side, it says trades. Excuse me. That's where you'll find it all. Yeah, you can see all your trades there. Can we copy your trade account? I don't do any sort of you can copy my trade account type of business. So nah, you can come to the live stream or tap into the clubhouse and learn how I trade if that's something that interests you. But copying my accounts and all that, nah, I'm good. I'm Gucci. I'm Gucci. Yeah, the only bot you need is Nightbot. Exactly. Exactly. No, that's a funny business to be a part of, dealing with other people's money. So I never want to touch other people's money. I stay in my own lane, and that's it.
Yeah, bro, I'd rather donate to people that need and manage your stuff,
For sure. Absolutely.
Then you got people calling you, emailing you. Hey, what's the account looking like right now?
Yeah. I give you 2,000. What do you lose? 500.
If I ever did that, you'd have to be a big baller. So I know you're not gonna complain and whine like a little sissy, So it would have to be like you gotta pay me at least 25,000 to do it. You gotta have at least 25,000 to trade with, and then maybe I'll consider it. Oh man. Nah, I don't want other people's money problems on my shoulders. I got my own stuff to take care of. And that's more than enough.
Yeah, facts, dude.
We love you, Nightbot. LeGrand. Oh, man. Yeah, so 1 hour closure is coming up here in a little bit. If the 1 hour can pull back for us a bit, and we can maybe fill this range here at 9 a.m. Sells on the 15. I think sells on the 15 are for potential traders that feel like they've already lost out on a lot. So I rather see the 1 hour candle close now, because if the 1 hour is going to pull back and the next 1 hour candle is going to pull back for a top wick, not saying that will happen, but most of the time that will happen, right, for candles, then that means I'm going to probably be stuck in drawdown for a bit. So I'd rather just wait on the 1 hour, see if we can get a top wick, and then a flip, and then take the trade to fill the range. And if it fills the range before that, then it's like, hey, whatever, there'll be more trades coming. What do you do when your smaller time frames like 15 or 30 close out of the range, but the higher time frames like 1 hour basically and 4 hour are open? So that all comes down to the conditions of the market. What is the actual bias from the higher time frame? What have we already done? Did news come out? Every situation in the market is just so unique. Did we already move up and create? There's just so many things that could happen there. So I personally love the 30-minute time frame. I tend to put my trust in that one most of the time, but as long as it's lining up with the higher time frames, then I think it's good. Like, for instance, this 1 hour candle, like if I would have been at the desk, I probably would have taken the break of the low there. But that's not a trade I would have taken, let's say, 2 years ago. But just with experience and all that, I now know, hey, even though this time frame is bullish, the higher time frames are bearish. We have a lot of selling momentum, and at that break of the low, I'd probably enter that. So that would have been a situation where the 1 hour was bullish, but either I sold regardless. So everything's a little unique in its own way. So chart time is your best friend.
So you like that even with the 30 no bottom wick?
Yeah, you see this wick here? This wick is designed for a reason, to be filled, right? So sellers aren't gonna, you're gonna get sellers right here that come in and then get stopped out on this move up. But later on, that wick will be designed to get filled by a candle like this, right? So maybe that's what goes down here on this candle, is that maybe you come up a little bit, create a new resistance again, and then the same deal happens, right? So you get something like this, price looks like this, and then the next candle rips down during high volume to fill that wick. So you'll see that happen very often. So sometimes as long as you have the read on direction, bias, higher time frame, all that, that's where you can be confident about executing on the break of that low, due to the fact that you're technically waiting for a resistance, but you got a high volume time coming in. So you're most likely not going to get that resistance, right? It's most likely going to do this. So you want to be prepared for that. And the way to be prepared for that is by understanding how and when to capitalize on impulse entries. And you can watch the Playbook 2.0 video for that. You can come to the live streams every day to see how we handle things like that. But, you know, just takes time. Takes time, experience, and all that. The best is the uncles and the friends from back home that hear you're a trader, and then they think that they can talk to you and say, "Oh, I might give you some money to trade." Those are the greatest. Those are the greatest. As if you're like a little peasant and they're like the king of the castle. It's like, dude, you're making $60, 60,000 a year. Sit down, bro. You don't got money to trade, G. Just worry about taking care of the family for now. Let me take care of the trading. Any tips for new Forex streamers? Yeah, you got to be consistent, G. You got to be consistent. You can't be as soft and get all scared for taking losses. You can't listen to the chat. You know, the chat's going to get at you. They're going to, you know, if you take your trading public, you know, get ready for public humiliation. You know what I mean? Where people want to get at you and hate on you and all that stuff. It just comes with, you know, this craft here of streaming. So as long as you can handle all that and be consistent and show up every day, then I think you'll do well. Yeah, and by the way, you also have to provide value to people, right? So don't forget that. That's really the big piece, is providing free value, trading well, learning with your squad. You know, things that I've done that have worked for me. But the biggest thing is you got to be consistent, man. So many streamers come and go, especially after they lose a couple trades. Some haters come in the chat, blah, 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 and then they just kind of whimper away. So as long as you can handle all that and show up every day, then, you know, it could work out for you. Where is Eugene here today? If Eugene's here, let me know, Eugene. Did you see that last question? Hey, Uncle Bill. Uncle Bill really wants you to trade his $65. Yeah, right, Uncle Bill. Sit down, Uncle Bill. Sit down.
Uncle Bill? Stop.
Uncle Bill, get out of my face. So I heard little Nicky's a day trader now. I'm gonna have a little chat with him, see if he can invest some of our money here in the household. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Rule number one of trading: don't ever tell anyone you're a trader.
And then I hit him with the "I don't shine shoes anymore, Uncle Bill." Started watching you around this time last year. Oh, nice, man. Best decision I ever made. Hey, blessings, bro. I'm glad everything is helping out. Uncle Bill is hilarious, man. I was sneaking and trading at work. Oh, now you're home full time. Very nice. Red cup. Very, very nice. Very nice. Lit. About to join the clubhouse? Pull up, man. We're there. Pull up. Anyone who's not in the clubhouse yet, honestly, it's not just because it's my clubhouse, but if it wasn't, I would still highly recommend getting in there. Just too much sauce, you know what I mean, around the clock. So, you know, if you want to take your trading and really just your life to like that next level of growth, then I would highly recommend joining the clubhouse. You got so many great things happening there right now.
Yep.
It's a vibe, bro, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, the power of a community is for real. Like
Huge.
like I was telling Pre New York, like I don't even know if I would be here right now, you know, if it wasn't for Nick, you know, as an accountability partner and a mentor to, you know, have someone that could pour into me likewise, and you know, have someone to keep me accountable for getting up, going up, getting the chart work in, right? You need a community of like-minded individuals for real. It really helps put you in that place you need to be. 100%.
Yeah, man. Yeah, community's everything. Go get my shine box. I don't shine shoes anymore, Dan.
And the clubhouse is literally the favorite part of my day. We're only missing you if you're not in it.
We really are missing you guys in there. We really are. Yeah, come vibe with us. Asian session, London session, pre-New York, New York. It's a vibe.
And most importantly, Saturdays.
Yeah.
Bro, that's just...
You guys remember our webinars that we used to do? We do those every Saturday now. And we've been doing that for like the last 4 months. So webinars every Saturday. Right now we got Rafi running through a 12-week webinar every other week.
Yep.
Talking about mental performance, psychology, and trading. So Rafi, you're up this week, right, brother?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know it.
Amazing.
Get it.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah. We're gonna
Got
talk
the bag.
about. We're gonna go a little review on what we did last one. The teller and the doer. You know how to acquire those voices and actually focus on the one that is gonna help you on performance, and a little bit more about sticking to the present time, into the most important time, which is the present moment.
Yeah.
It seems like a lot of people try to think too much ahead or try to think about the past, which is all goes in hand to the teller and the doer. So it's going to be good stuff for sure.
I look forward to it, man. Looking forward to it.
Facts, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Luke, I remember that, bro. Yeah, I do remember when you started coming around the streams, man. Yeah, glad you're enjoying it. Yeah, no one trades gold over there. I know. I'll be golfing with Austin this weekend. I think Saturday we're golfing. So yeah, he's Austin's a great guy. What up, Preston?
What's up, Landon? What's up,
Preston,
bro? What's up,
Landon,
Preston?
Douche Trade, Nate G.
What's up, boys?
I
What's up,
see
chat?
y'all. Z Gamer in the house.
Whole squad's here.
TK's in the building. What up, TK?
TK.
TK. You know what? That song reminds me of TK. The one that we played in the beginning.
Which one? I don't remember.
Lego.
Gotcha. Yeah, facts, right?
TK.
Oh, yeah.
TK.
Yeah.
TK. Lego. That's my TK song, man. Do the TK. What up, J Coop? Yo.
Hey, cool. What's up, brother?
My man. Let's go. Took cold that supply. Nice. Good work. How you guys doing today? You guys green on the day, red on the day, good trades, winning trades, losing trades? What y'all doing? I like this 1 hour closure here potentially to continue down in this range here. You still got a massive range to go. So we're very bearish on the day. I would expect it to keep raining here today. Yeah, we got support down here. So, by the way, we drew this out yesterday. Damn, we weren't on YouTube yesterday. We were on just in the clubhouse, but we drew this entire thing out yesterday, did we not? Right, the fact that this candle could close weak bullish with that small bottom wick in this observation zone, we can get this next candle to make a little high, which it really didn't do, and then drive down and break the lows, right? So we called it. I was expecting us to push up a little bit though, not gonna lie. That's one of the reasons why I took the buy in London there.
Our chart analysis have been absolutely money, dude.
Yeah,
we have such a good read on price right now. It's crazy.
All day. Yeah, everyone's getting snow. Besides us in Florida, we're just getting cold weather.
Yeah, bro. What is that? Destin, I think it is.
Yeah,
That-
Destin
you got a
got hit
bunch
with
of snow?
some snow. Yeah.
How far is that from here?
That's like I think 4 hours or so.
Oh, okay. So
That's
that's
like
like
up
north.
North. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
it's like
north. Yeah, that's like way up north. Hey, does this show the
that's
time that you
crazy.
take the trade?
I'm sure it does.
So yeah, so far so good here. Performance wise, I think just looking at data here, the onions, right? The supports and resistances have been treating me really well. 93% win rate on that, and the only one I did lose actually turned out to be a winner anyway, which was that one that I closed by like 2 pips, and then it just drove down at 8:30. I think that was like Monday. So that was the only onion I've lost so far this month or this year. The inverted celery has been crushing for us this year. So I haven't taken too many trades, right? 5 trades, but so far all good. The onions got 16 trades on the board this year, right? So that's been pretty helpful too. That's been the bread and butter. So let's see if we can get something like that here to capitalize on gold. You got a new 1 hour candle. I'm assuming we're going to make a top wick here and then begin to move down. So let's see where we're at. We might come up into this range here at 52. And then if we do make like a resistance there, then that's that onion we're looking for. And, you know, if we could do something like this and then like this, that'll be our 1 hour candle locked and loaded, ready to go. And then the sells look money.
Love it.
Yep. But yeah, so celery, I've only taken 5 trades there, 60% win rate. Breakout, 5 trades, 60% win rate. The fade, I've only taken 2 trades, so we can't really judge that one yet. So yeah, so far so good in terms of really the onion play. Starting to see those really well and capitalizing on, especially during times of volume. You know what I mean? You get that onion during the volume times, and that's, you know, it's go time at that point. So yeah, so we'll see how we can end the week or end the month. Really, we got one more week this month, so we get through that week and that's it. January's in the books. Went by fast.
flying by.
Sheesh.
Literally flew by.
Sheesh.
What was I doing over here? Don't like the 30-minute. Yeah, that's why I'll sit, basically wait for the 15 resistance there, because look. Do I want to take a 1 hour breakout based off of my progress here this year? Do I want to take a 1 hour breakout with a 60% win rate? Or do I want to wait on maybe like a 15 onion that gives me like a 93% win rate? For like a little bit of extra confirmation, I may rather wait for a resistance to form right here and then take the sells. Remember we talked about filling that wick in a little bit? So just wait on it.
Especially like within the last 15 minutes, like of the 1 hour candle, that sell like wasn't a good idea on the 15-minute.
No, so yeah, so we got either 9:15 or 9:30, both high volume times that I would be open to, you know, making it happen. What's an inverted celery? Great question. So let's see if we can find one here. So something like this. So you have price moving up, right? Price coming down, and then you see how this candle right here closed, right? The green one, this guy right here. That's what we like to call the inverted celery. So it's a candle that closes. This candle could be bullish or bearish. Ideally bullish in this situation since you're making your move up. But yeah, that's it. You know, you wait for, you're not going to take sells here, right? Because you're extremely bullish. So you don't want to take these sells, right? If you're going to take sells here, you want to see a new support form and then a closure below and then take your sells. Because if you just try and take it off the onion, in most cases, you're going to get faked out there. So as this candle drives down, a bunch of sellers are clearly activated, right? On the break of those lows, it comes up, it closes like that, right? So when I say like that, I mean small body, small top wick, massive bottom wick, aka rejection. So that's the inverted celery. Excuse me. What the inverted celery is not is this, right? Or this, right? It's something that has a small body, small top wick, and a steep lower wick. That's basically it, because you're trying to see, okay, we rejected off the bottom side. A lot of times you could set yourself up for a good trade, especially if the candle before that, let's say, closes with no lower wick, right? And then you get that that candle to close like that. Now you already know it's time to go. Yeah, some people call it like a hammer, right? Inverted hammer. Yeah, I've heard of those terms too. Yeah, Swaggy. I remember when I used to learn from Swaggy, he called that like a hammer or something like that. So typically the next candle is usually a goner. Or let's say the next candle or two is usually, that's kind of when price is going to start going again. Kind of like you see here, look, boom, 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 you know. Lego. Yeah, so we got a resistance up here. It's on. Possible like entries just like NY open entries, you know, somewhere around 2750-ish. Swaggy, yeah, I haven't seen him either in a while.
Yeah, we were talking about candlesticks too today, and the importance of them.
Yeah, they are important.
Like, you wouldn't want to take that candle that you drew out, like if it was a bearish candle with a long wick, you wouldn't want to take that going down, but you may want to take that going up.
Yeah, yeah. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Oh, nice trade there, Project Toro. That was nice.
Nice.
Yo, YouTube, what's good? How we feeling? How's everyone's trading day been? Yeah, DJ Scratches, I did say that. I think we should do a candlestick webinar, maybe after Rafi this weekend. We'll see. Yeah, because, you know, we're taking breakouts, we're taking, you know, buys off support, sells off resistance. It's important to understand which candles, right, we should take those off and which candles we shouldn't. And since we're price action traders, and we just trade price action, we should know what each candle means. So yeah, I think that would be a W webinar after Rafi drops some gems on us Saturday. Sub bands count up. Nice green on the day, W. Yeah, I love how Nick has structured, like, yo, don't focus on your trade record in terms of how many wins and losses you have, more so how many green days and red days you have. I think that is a really good mindset shift for traders. Because I know damn well the professional traders care more about a green day than just having more wins than losses. Right. It's the money management that's in the combination of the trader who trades his edge that makes him a professional trader.
DJ, do you like that? This week is gonna be a building block from that.
Can't wait, bro. I'm so excited.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
Yeah. No, you've been cooking. I'm ready to receive it.
Let's grow together, my G.
Let's do it.
Well, dropping gems. London, we got Magnus dropping fire.
Yo.
Nick dropping fire here. And then, like, I feel like Nick, when he comes here, you know, he's like, he drops fire, but then we go to the clubhouse after New York. It's like even more, you know?
I know. It's more fire, right, in the clubhouse. And then even for Asian, right? Asian, we get to review a bunch of charts.
I haven't done
stuff.
Asia, but I hear he's fire too.
Yeah, Asian's pretty good. It's slower markets, but we get a lot done with the community and reviewing charts and stuff like that. So there's a lot of gems within the Asian session. Yeah. Just all around 24/7 in the clubhouse, just improvements, progress, gems all over.
You know, I'll pull up to Asian. What time is Asian now?
It's gonna be 8 p.m. Eastern for, well, you actually 7 hour later.
I think I can do that today. Hold on, I have a couple of calls, couple of clients today, so I'll probably jump on next week for sure.
Bet.
Hold on,
let's go.
2 days, dude. Now I'm gonna have to figure out the whole time thing. It's Thursday, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe tomorrow I can do that.
Yeah.
No, so Asian for tomorrow is tonight. Yeah.
Pretty
so
much, yeah. Our tonight, yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta get used to that now.
You still, you gotta adjust, man. But that'll be fun.
Clubhouse schedule? Yeah, Clubhouse schedule is right here. So if you guys want to take a picture of this, this is the Clubhouse schedule. This is when we live stream the Asian, London, pre-New York, New York, and then these are the webinars with the time, and all that.
Chat, the webinars are absolutely money.
Bro, last week's
Cannot miss
webinar
those webinars.
is an absolute game changer in your trading. Anyone who really takes all the webinars, right? But last week, anyone who takes that serious, and I dare them to do it.
Yes.
I dare you to come back and tell me your results aren't better. Dare ya.
You just had to be there.
Yeah, and by the way, all the webinars are recorded in the Clubhouse, so you can go back and watch those and replay those as many times as you like.
Yeah.
Tariffs, I feel like any tariff will be good for the dollar, so that'll continue to push gold down. Most likely, I would assume. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. No, the inverted celery, it shows up during sells too. Yeah. So what would that look like? It might happen now, right? So you see this candle? If we can close weak like that, I'll probably have a sell stop on the break of the low, and then that would be an inverted celery to the downside. For me, all the sessions are lit. Nice. Learn something new every time. That's awesome. Glad to hear that. Yeah, one thing about being in the clubhouse too and trading like all these sessions has really helped me personally get like a better like concept of building the daily candle session by session. So you're building the daily candle all based off of the 4-hour session bias. And it makes so much sense when it comes to candlestick anatomy on the daily, that you just begin to see the patterns right throughout the session. So it's pretty cool, because I'm pretty much in every session. Asian, I'm there. London, I'm there, and then New York.
It's freaking sick, dude. That's a simple way of analyzing price action.
My target's going to be that wick fill. Remember we talked about that wick fill there? So that'll be like my original target, and then like down here at 27.31, which is going to be obviously the rest of that range on the 1 hour time frame. That's kind of like what I'm looking for. At what point in my journey did I feel comfortable charging money? When people ask me. That's any business. Any business, I provide free value until enough people come to me and say, hey, can I pay you for more? Hey, can I pay you for your time? Can I pay you for this? Can I pay you for that? And when I hear that enough, that's when I start a business. That's when I know I have a business model with a market that is, ready to go. So that's typically when I do it. I remember when the elite program started, All of a sudden I had traders coming to me, hey man, can I pay you for your time? Can I pay you for like a couple weeks, a month, 2 months with you? But so that's how the whole like elite program started up. And then, you know, the clubhouse too is like, yo, like we would love to trade with you outside of the New York session. And I just kept hearing that. And I'm like, okay, well, maybe we'll start something that's a little bit more like private and premium. And that's where the clubhouse came from. Same thing with the signals. You know, eventually people were like, bro, like I can't watch the streams all the time. Could I join a signals channel? And I started selling signals. But very quickly I stopped selling signals in that first year because it just didn't really, you know, help it. I don't think it helps people. All right, so what do we got going on? So let's see if we can get something back on this account here. So I'm going to have a sell stop here.
That's money.
On the break of the lows for price to move down here on gold. We got 9:15. We should have volume coming in, so we'll see. Or listen to the recordings. There you go. Yeah, those are always listening, watching. Yeah, watching them. That's all good. Yeah, just the New York stream on YouTube. Yep. Every now and then, like back in then, I would stream London, but very rarely. Now I will never stream London because we stream it in the clubhouse. Love the sessions. Thank you. Glad you're enjoying. What's up, Michael? How are you, my man? YOLO Trader in the house.
What's up, YOLO Trader?
Let's see the
Michael?
30-minute too.
Good makeup.
Michael.
Resistance. Nice 1 hour wick fill. I like it. 4
I
hour
dig it.
bearish.
Stops? No stops. No, I'm just kidding. Stops probably somewhere up here. 27.52-ish. Probably got to stay above that range there. Yeah, because then if we keep them down in the range, price can continue, you know, moving around up here and still be good to move down bearish, right? So don't really want to get stopped out, like clipped out on any of these moves, right? If price is going to remain below those ranges there. Hey, yo. Why not a buy stop? I think my bias is a bit bearish right now. 4 hours still pretty bear. 1 hour closure below the range. Clean traffic to the left. 15-minute trying to give us that resistance here. So yeah, that's pretty much why. A 30 closure below would be more ideal, but we may not be able to wait for that because we got 930 here, right? So if we wait for that 30 closure below, price may leave right without us. So yeah, if we don't get activated within the next 10 minutes and then there's 2 minutes left on the candle, I'll probably delete it and then we'll wait for something else. Fake out? Which one? I don't see a fake out here. I see, so this is the range that I'm looking at right here. So I think as long as we're below 27.50 there, then price is still good to go down. If we close above, then yeah, we might have to switch things up, either switch our bias up or wait for like a fake out here if we want to continue selling.
Actually, it would be even better, bro. If it fakes out and we sell from up there.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Yeah, because 27.50 is obviously going to be a much better entry than 27.46 here. So we'll see. The higher, the better.
It's a big if, though. We have to break the lows.
What if it breaks the highs in the 15? And if it respects the high, would it be more confirmation? Yeah, I think next step is just seeing what we do here, because maybe we want to come up to this area right here and create resistance there. So instead of using that resistance, maybe we can get some signs up here, right, and then sell like that. But we'll see. We just came up to that high. We kind of poked at it and broke it by like a pip. So we'll see what happens. A lot of buyers are up there too. So. What about the no bottom wick? I'm assuming that candle's going to come down and make that bottom wick and then maybe flip bearish here and drive. So, do I use the Dom? I really don't use the Dom too much. Nope.
Especially coming into resistance as well. No bottom wick coming into resistance.
Did you ever feel like an imposter in the early beginning stages? Not really. Not really. My job was just to go up there and do the best I could. You know, provide the best value I could, answer the questions to my best ability, share the philosophies and that have worked well with me in life, and enlighten people. You know, I'm not just here to show you guys how to trade. I'm really here to kind of share a philosophy, and if it clicks with you, it clicks, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. That's fine. Just kind of sharing information for you guys to kind of walk around my supermarket and go from aisle to aisle and take what you want. All right? Take what you want. There's going to be all gems, all advice here. You may want to grab it, put it in the cart. You may not like this item. You may not like that item. You might want to go to the other aisle, right? And just hearing, you know, the philosophies, again, that have worked well for me, and you just taking what you like, and whatever you don't like, leave it on the shelf and just using it to your advantage here. Use me to become rich. Simple. That's what I did. I used my mentor to become rich.
Take the meat, leave the bone.
There you go.
And then pay it forward.
And then pay it forward. Yep.
Yeah, don't forget to pay it forward. So that's what I'm doing here, is paying it forward. Because every time I tried to repay my mentor, he always said, Nick, just pay it forward. Just go out and serve people, help people, be a servant leader, and great things will come to you. And again, that man has never lied. He ain't never lied. How much money do I have? $1 billion.
Who asks that, man?
I like your cheesy bread. It's so good.
Good
I know the cheesy bread's where it's at. I have as much money as I want to have. See, that's the difference between me and you. I know how to place the order and how to wait for delivery. And most of you guys don't. Most of you guys don't know how to tap into the spiritual realm, place the order for whatever you want, and wait for delivery. But I'm trying to teach y'all. Trying to teach y'all in the clubhouse, in the webinars.
Your mind is Amazon, bro.
Only if you knew, G.
Better.
Way better.
Your mind could bring you much more than
shop.
Amazon can.
Go shop, aka go think.
Yeah. How come we don't trade 20 Apex accounts? I don't know. Just never felt the need to do it.
Maybe after 5 XFAs on Top Step. Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, you should treat this live stream like you paid to get in. Like if everyone paid $100 to be here today, I bet you would ask more questions. I bet you would share more charts. I bet you would get more of your important questions answered. All right? I bet you wouldn't be scrolling on your phone or playing your Xbox right now with your pairs. No, let me not. I bet you wouldn't. But because it's free, you take it for granted. We all do. You know, we all take things for free for granted. But if you treated it like you paid $1,000 for entry here, you would, I think you'd find yourself improving a lot quicker. Out here eating Twinkies and stuff, not listening to the stream. Come on, man.
That's tough.
Can't wait for Time to Eat Trading Gym in Tampa. Yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna pop up. We're gonna have our own gym. Time to Eat Trading Gym coming soon in Tampa for TTE members only.
Time to lift.
Time to lift. Y'all get in for free.
Yo, we'll see Green there for sure.
Oh yeah, Green will
Every
be
day,
there.
all day.
Green will be running that place. We're gonna have a couple little office buildings. One maybe not buildings, office rooms. Maybe a conference room for bigger meetings, and then the gym. Gym's gonna be sick.
What a great time.
Time
be
to Eat
back,
Trading
bro.
on the wall.
What a great time.
Spray painted, graffiti
Hell
style.
yeah, bro.
It's gonna be
Dude,
dope.
Rafi, you're at the best time to be coming back, bro. Literally.
Bro. Telling
America's
me. So grateful.
America's back.
Little golf
Facts.
course. What you guys know about that? Look at that. Look at C Melly right there. I see him already.
Yep.
Sick.
These are the top step
Melly
traders.
dominating.
These are the big ballers. And then these are the mentees. And then these are that's just you and me, gang. You and me. It's you and me.
Dude, I need to get on my golf game, bro.
Let's get it, man.
We gotta go, bro.
Dang. Oh, shoot. We got... Johnny, you're going to have to come for this one in the beach.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
The beach.
The beach one. Heck yeah. Can't miss the beach.
Yeah, man. Sell still valid? Yeah. I'm gonna delete this here, and then we'll wait for the candle to close here.
4 minutes, yeah.
Yeah. Notice how we're struggling here, right? So we're probably trying to make a resistance at this point to move down here. So I think they're still valid. We're just gonna wait for 3 minutes on this candle here, so I'll wait for it to close. Oh snap! Tamara's in the green, not on the green. Okay, okay.
Okay, Tamara. Shit.
Let me
Damn.
stop. Let me fall back.
Let me pause.
Let me pause. Yeah, vision, gang,
Yeah, that's
vision, vision.
The question is, do you believe it, though? That's the question.
Yep. Green will be there. TK will be there. Hey, I got a TT room in my new place. Yeah. Though anyone that comes, you'll always have a nice comfy room to stay in. Including Chala. What up,
Where's
Ayush?
Chala, bro?
How are you, brother? Good to see you, man.
I haven't seen Chala in a while.
Chala, where are you?
Is he here? No.
Oh, he's
not
here. He's always here. He's somewhere.
Holy.
He's lurking. Who else is lurking?
Holy.
Yeah, Green gonna have his own crib there, man. Told
Oh, there
you.
he is.
He's predictable.
My guy.
Future 8-figure traders don't miss. You know what I mean?
Green.
Duplex. You got the duplex. Let me see something here. Yeah, still looks pretty good. You know, this candle closed below the range. Weak. I still like 930 breaking those lows and heading south here.
Bro, this last one is sick, man.
Oh, hold on, let me check. Holy!
Let's go.
Yo, that's insane. Wow. Can we catch the vision? I can see it, man. I can see that. I can see that in like Naples.
Damn, bro.
Dude, that's sick, bro. I'm moving down.
We'll have all the cars parked
I
right
can
out
see that
here.
in Naples too.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm gonna tell you some. You gotta have an ice bath and a sauna in here at some point.
Dawn, bro. Let's save.
Let's go. Hell yeah. You better if you're a trader though, you better make sure you're on the top step. I don't want to see you in the bottom. Unless you're beginner.
Why are people in the middle of the road? Because we own the road. We own the whole road.
Matrix.
The table in the middle of the road.
CTE Avenue.
350 million? That'll be light. I just gotta place the order for that. It'll come. What up, Segan? Yeah, you gotta have the gym and the sauna, man. Got to. Alright,
Yo,
so I'm
doing
gonna
that
replace
before
this
or
sell
even
stop.
after, man.
Break of the 30 lows there. What'd you say?
Doing that before or even after, it's good to self-regulate yourself. You know what I'm saying? Like your body appreciates that so much.
True, true.
Facts.
Bro, I was in the sauna the other day. I stayed in there for like 45 minutes, 50 minutes, dude. I thought I was gonna pass out when I got out. I literally had to go lay down and put my feet up on the wall. I was like, all right, I need to bring some blood back to the brain here, real quick. Gotta bring some blood back to the brain real quick. Buying GJ? Let's go! Best of luck, bro. Best of luck. Good old GJ. Good old GJ. A dream without a goal is nothing. Yeah, it is nothing.
Just a thought.
What temp was the sauna that day? To be honest, I don't remember. So we got volume. We're either going to push up here for 930 or we're going to break these lows and melt. So I'm going to stick with the bearish bias here. See if the daily candle wants to come down any more. If we break the 1 hour highs like aggressively, then I'll get rid of it. But until then, if we respect the 1 hour high, I think it's still pretty decent to come down. If not, I like buys above whatever that is, 2751. Head and shoulders. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head and shoulders? Yeah, one thing we know for sure, Dan, is it's either going up or it's going down. Usually talking
It's
about
like 7
the
pips at
Lions.
this point.
That's funny. Yeah, nah, I be getting lost in the future. See, me, I go in the future and I leave the present realm. I go live in my future for a couple of minutes, and that couple of minutes just happened to be like 45 minutes, man. Yeah, I was over at the TTE headquarters. Then I came back to reality and I was like, whoa, I've been in here. 40 minutes has gone by. 3-year-old nephew. Let's go. Did I hear full margin? I think someone did say that, right?
Yeah, okay.
All right, we're breaking the 1 hour highs here. So if we start pushing higher, I'll probably just delete this. If not, we make it a 1 hour pack runner.
I like
What up, the Prather
above
Trader?
52 as well. Prather
Hi.
Trader, what's up, man?
How's it going, my man? How's it going?
I like buys above 52 as well.
Yeah, the 4 hour candle is going to close here in about 30 minutes.
Oh yeah.
This 4 hour candle here, so. So will the next 4-hour candle make a top wick and continue to fill the range, right? That's the we know that the 8 a.m. and the 9 a.m. candles are going to be bigger 1-hour candles here. So will the next 4-hour kind of make a top wick and then drive down? That we'll see. That would be what we already talked about. Remember, Rafi, about having like a resistance up here, some steep rejection wick like that, and then the move down.
That's what I would like to see. Yeah, definitely that.
We also may make that move down.
A little cleaner range.
Yeah. We may make that move down when Trump speaks as well. So this could be the pullback for the 4-hour. The next top wick making a the next 4-hour making a top wick, and then Trump comes on and psh, down we go. Down goes Frazier. My chart is probably because I'm using the futures chart, and you might be using like gold sport or whatever, XAU USD. Damn, I'm so happy I didn't get XAU USD tattooed on my forehead, because I don't even trade that no more. I just trade GC now.
Yo, word, dude. Damn.
The breakout strategy. So the breakout, you're gonna have more trades in the breakout, right? So that means that you're probably gonna have a little bit of a watered down. Like if you take 1,000 breakouts and you only take 100 inverted celeries, you know what I mean? You're probably gonna have a less win rate on the breakout. But I've only taken 5 breakouts this year, so we really can't judge anything on 5 trades. You know, the breakout overall is like a 70% win rate. So that's still the case. These are just my numbers for the year, which has only been 1 month, right? So the most I have is the onion, which is 16 trades, 93% win rate, over 10,000 put up on the onion. The next one will be the inverted celery, which is 5 trades, which that one's been hitting. The other celery we did 5. So yeah, everything's been 5. The fade, I've only taken 2 fades here. That's it, just 2. So we can't really judge anything numbers wise yet, right? You don't have enough data here for the year yet. But overall, like the breakout's like a 70-75% win rate type of trade. Trump speaks at 11. Yeah, at 11 today. Impatient buyers will be trapped. True. Yeah, I'm still very bearish here.
Do you have your order? Or
yeah, I still have my sell stop in as like a 1 hour pack runner, like 1 hour.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Where are the strategies located? You can watch. So I have a video out here on the YouTube. It's called the Playbook 2.0. I would recommend watching that video. So that way it's a good like 40-minute video of me just really sharing the plays and the setups and things like that, explaining them, explaining why you should have a playbook, the mindset, mentality with it, thought process, plus the actual, technicals of it and all that. So I would go to the Playbook 2.0 video and check that one out. Gio was good. He was good. You ever gonna make trading great again? The fades seem to have faded. In terms of the record, in terms of the strat, no. Like this is a fade here, but I'm probably not gonna take it. I'm gonna keep my stuff up here. Have we not seen as many fades this year so far? Yeah, I guess we could say that. I've only taken 2 of them. So 2. So I only had 2. So the fade's like an impulse. So impulse entry, fade. These are my 2 impulse entries that I like to take, and then these are like my 3 waiting for candles to close type of positions. Yes, I would be. Yeah. So if we had like price kind of like doing the fade or inverted celery up here, I would just take the position from up there. Yep. Yep. What's the fade? The fade's basically like an impulse entry. So again, the Playbook 2.0 video will help out. I explain it in full detail. But something like this. So you see how price is kind of moving up and the candles are getting weaker and the lower wicks are getting smaller. Like this would be an opportunity to take like a fade, like an impulse entry on the break of that green candle's low. So that would be like a fade right there. Yeah, typically you want to be in like a 4-hour resistance level, daily resistance level type, you know, of area as well. All right, can we get a melt off here? Or are we going to range until Trumpy comes on up? TradeZella? Yeah, TradeZella is good. If you guys want to use TradeZella, I highly recommend it. It tracks all your trades for you, keeps track of basically everything that you need, P&L wise. All your trades are tracked here. It gives you win rates. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Pretty sick.
What's the code again?
TTE24. Yeah, TTE24.
Bet.
Yeah.
How much is that off?
I think you get like 15% off, like a normal
That's fire.
TradeZella account. 15 or I forget, to be honest. NAS about to break out. Let's take a look. Ooh. 4-hour running down for quite some time. Daily trying to make its way back up. Yeah, man. Yeah, buddy. 15 closure coming up. You're going to have that second half of that 930 candle coming now. Let's go back to Goldie real quick. If I forget about NASDAQ, remind me if that candle closed above. How much would I be risking? I would be risking... Sheesh. Yeah, we're going to need a better stop. So I'm going to have to delete this for the next 3 minutes. So this candle is going to close. So the first half of 930 has, let's talk about this, right? The first half of the 930 candle, which is a high volume candle, has moved up, broke the 1-hour highs, rejected off of resistance, and is now going to give us this steep exhaustion wick, right? So right now we're forced to have this entry and that stop loss. But in 2 minutes and 45 seconds, we may be able to have this entry with like, let's say you get a top wick with that stop loss. So I'd rather wait for that. That seems like the better opportunity for me. And now we can go about potentially taking these sells here.
Yeah, that was like 80 pips.
Yeah.
For
Something light. Something light.
5 lots. 80
Easy
pips.
peasy.
Who cares?
How much am I risking? $50.
That ass. He ain't lying, jeez. He ain't lying.
That's the move. Let's take a look over here too. I'm in on the NAS buys. On the, are you in? You're in already, or are you gonna get in on the breakout?
It's looking good right here, man. Reject it from that level.
Oh, speaking of a fade, we might get a fade here today. Oh, nice. Here we go. Already in? Nice.
A quick one.
Yeah. So we might end up taking the same entry, but we probably have a better stop here.
Yeah, with the 30-minute. Or, sorry. 15.
Okay. 9:35. That's interesting. All right. Well, that would have activated us there. We got 36 seconds. Closure below would be really nice. But either way, a bearish closure, strong bear close here would be perfect. Rafi trading the New York session in the daytime now. Okay.
I know. Back to last year. Remember when I came back?
Yeah.
That's the true way of trading the New York session. Yo, New York session has been weird all freaking month.
Whatever, gold.
New York session's trolling us.
We'll go make some money on NASDAQ here. Yes, I mean, this thing didn't even close with a top wick either. Sheesh.
It's not the time, bro.
Let's see here. We still have volume, though. So let's take a look at a different time frame here. Yeah, I think if we break those highs, I'd be open to this. Break of the highs here. Current candle stops. Yeah, I'd be open here. So let's do 2 buy stop. Yeah, I am going to have a buy stop here on the NASDAQ. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Above that wick over there. Maybe we get a banger move up here. Got the breakout. We've been ranging for quite some time. All the buyers are already in over here. Price kind of rejected, came down, probably stopped them all out, and now it might be good to go. So if we break that high, it's not too bad. Either way, my main thing here is that we got a very strong bullish closure on a day where the daily bias looks like it wants to move up. Again, on another candle. US 30? I can't go to US 30 because I don't really watch that one too much. let's look at Goldie though. Is Goldie moving up or down here? Yeah, I mean if it melts here, I mean I can't do anything about that. What a shame. What a shame, Goldie. This is a perfect wick to fill here too.
Goldie.
It's all good. I'll just wait for the 4 hour to close now.
4 hours about to close, yeah.
Something like, see the 1 hour pack runner there? Either way, you get a closure below here now.
Yeah.
And that's going to be the more secure entry anyway. Today's Kingston's birthday. I keep forgetting. The little man is officially 1 year old. 1 year old. 1 year young.
Let's get it, King Man.
I hear them playing with the balloons out there. Hey, happy birthday, King Man. Birthday cakes.
And it probably got it all decorated nicely.
And I got the whole crib set up.
Right.
Your trading get better when you had kids? It did. It did. My responsibility level went up. Therefore, my trading became better. He's been walking.
Nick was hungry.
Yeah, he's been
Nick
walking.
was hungry when Alea was on the way. I remember
Even
it.
more hungry now. The
Yeah,
hungry
man.
dog eats. The hungry dog
Absolutely.
eats. I'm more hungry now than I've ever been.
That's a fact.
Yeah, he's walking, man. So, you know, these kids, man, they go from like 1 day of struggling, the next day of perfection almost. So, yeah, you know, he's been a the little midget walking around the house, you know, like taking his little steps, his little itty bitty steps. So it's been fun. It's been cute. Been cool to see. He's all pumped up too, you know. He knows he accomplished something, so he's got that big smile on and all that good stuff.
Yeah. Let's go.
That brother starving, yes.
That brother stop.
That's how you felt too? Yeah, man. The kids, bro, the kids. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice to have you here, man. Yeah, even if you guys don't trade like I do, I mean, it's a vibe, you know. It's a good place to be. It's a good place to come learn and just, you know, get your questions answered. Oh, we got a little celery. Little celery.
We gonna have a good day today, celebrating King Man.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that. Let's see here. What do you know? Candle breaks the low and goes on up.
Yep. Last 15
Predictable.
of the 4 hour too, Nick.
Predictable.
Honestly, that 1 hour honestly looks like an exhaustion wick to me.
The 1 hour? Let me look.
Yeah.
Well, I would expect a new top wick on the new 4 hour candle and all that, so.
Right. Last 15 minutes, we'll usually see that pullback on the 4 hour.
Yeah. Willie, what's goody? What's goody? Yeah, Kingman don't want to be left behind, man. He's trying to keep up. He's trying to keep up.
Gotta keep going.
He gets all upset now. He's like, yo, these guys are on the move without me. Yeah, 4 hour looks like it wants to start moving up too here for a little pullback on the NASDAQ. Time to go dual screen. Let me get some hits on NASDAQ first. Oh, they do grow fast, man. That's why freedom is so important. You know, that's why from an early point in my life, when I had kids, I just wanted to be with them. I wanted to be free. I don't want to leave them. So, you know, that's the life I tried to design, and I'm so happy that I was willing to go through all the trial and the error and the struggle and the pain and all that to have this life. It's so worth it. So worth it to have your wife home and your kids home, and it's a very good feeling as a husband or a father and just as a man in general.
Nick, how do you feel right now, bro, about it?
Incredible.
Yeah.
Same way I felt 10 years ago. Incredible. Feel incredible. But if I didn't plan it from 10 years ago, would I have gotten it? So that's why vision is so important and planning is so important. You don't always have to know about the how and the when. You just gotta know why, right? So the how and the when, you can't plan that. Right? You can't plan how it all is all gonna go down. You can't plan when it's gonna happen. But you can understand your why and why it's gonna happen, right? And what you're gonna do to get it. And as long as you follow the plan every day on your non-negotiables, at some point hard work just makes you lucky. You know, so you work hard enough, you begin to run into luck. You're going to need a little bit of luck here and there to be, you know, a successful individual. But luck favors the man or woman that works hard for it. So one thing I've done was just stay consistent, live below my means. And that's basically, you know, what really pushed me towards freedom. Financial freedom, I should say.
There.
Yeah, and at this point, like if I didn't make money for the next like 4 years, it wouldn't even matter.
That
Free
was a
Sam
gem right there, if anyone caught that.
Free Sam, free Sam.
Sam the man. Yeah, I see him. He's in the Zoom.
Sammy.
Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo.
Sammy.
How we feeling?
Feeling great.
What up, brother?
How are you?
Doing
The
great.
boys are back in
What does Dave
town.
Ramsey say? I already forgot. I was just gonna say it.
Better than I deserve. Sam, how can I help you
Better than
today?
deserve, or how can I help you? Yeah,
Sam, you got
that's
me
what it
saying
is.
that now, bro.
Better than I deserve. I love it.
Yeah, man. Don't focus on the how, man. If you focused on the how, imagine if you needed to know exactly how you were going to get to your friend's house later. You needed to know every little thing, everywhere, every little pothole was. If there was a detour, you can't leave until you make sure you know that there's a detour. You know, you don't do that, right? You just plug the GPS in and you just go. That's life, man. You can't. I couldn't have, like, I wrote the story, but I couldn't have wrote it exactly how it went down. I couldn't have said, hey, I'm going to meet Rafi and Sam along the way, and John's going to come on board, and, you know, I didn't even know I was going to be a day trade. Like, I didn't even know I was going to day trade. You know, I thought I was going to build e-commerce businesses and run leadership programs, but, you know, things took a different turn, you know, all for the better too. So
Yeah.
4 minutes left. I'm going to delete this. Second delete of the day. And let's see if we can get this candle to close above. And I will add that buy stop back for a NASDAQ 15-minute celery play. Expecting the new 4-hour to make a top wick there, right? Or actually, I'm sorry, expect the next 4-hour to move up. Because I think this 4-hour may close bull. Let me check here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Drill, baby, drill.
Mr. President speaking a little later today.
Blue light glasses. These ones are
Sounds like
Gunner, and then my other ones I can't remember what they are. I don't have them over here.
let's get it, Tio. I believe in y'all. Bro, with faith, anything's possible. Like, literally. It's backed up in the Bible. Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun. All right, 1 hour coming back up, making a statement here. Oh yeah, these ones, they don't have color in them. That's right. Yeah, the other ones do. Yeah, give me a sec. I'll find out. Yeah, these ones are actually fire too. I usually never wear these guys on stream, but these ones are Sleep ZM. Sleep ZM. Yeah, I think these ones are really good too. This brand is fire.
We got that. Where you get them at? Online?
Yeah, I got them on Amazon, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Leon, you talking about the glasses I got? The blue light blockers? Yeah, I got the ones with the color on it. Yep.
Are we going to be live in the clubhouse for Trump's speech? Yes. Yeah, we'll stick around a little later today. So that way we got some time to see how that goes down. New York playing us dirty. New York
Diaper, you ain't
session,
lying,
man.
bro.
It's all right. It's all right. Trump's coming back. He's going to save New York session.
Yeah, we chilling. We still got today, rest of today, tomorrow, and one last week for January as well.
Yeah, last week of the month here, next week. So it's been a pretty long month too. You know, you got 31 days here. So tomorrow's Friday, and we go into the weekend. Big webinar here on Saturday, and then our final week of the month.
Yep.
Our final week, and then we begin the legendary February. Dun
Ooh.
dun dun.
We back to it. We meet again.
We meet again, February. This time I will. I won't be denied. February, baby. My favorite month of the year. February last year changed my life forever. Very happy for February last year. Grind time, Mufasa. Yo, what's up, brother? Yo, how's the weather, man? Oh my gosh. It's getting crazy.
Dude, I seen that like I think it was New Orleans is like shut down, bro, because they don't have any plows or anything.
Oh wow.
Dang.
Holy.
Yeah, it's like the whole city's just shut down. It's like snows everywhere on the roads. It's crazy.
Bro, I
That's
seen
The
them
highways are like covered.
up in like like the north part of Florida, dude. There's those two dudes sitting on the back of like a pickup truck, just like spreading salt with like a cup. I was done. Cause you know up north they have like the actual trucks where they shoot the
Trucks,
snow
yeah,
out, you
yeah,
know.
right.
These guys out here
Yeah.
just with like a little like white cup, like just dishing out
That's
some
hilarious,
salt.
dude.
Shaking the snow out. That's so funny. That's
They
like
got-
what you do for the sidewalk. Like when
Yo.
you like
Imagine they
shovel
actually
the
had like
sidewalk.
a salt thing, you know, like that they have at the restaurant. They're out here in Florida just salting the
like a
roads with
salt and
that.
pepper shaker.
Oh man. Join the clubhouse soon?
Closure.
Nice, bro. Hey, we'll see you in there, brother. We'll see. Whenever you guys are ready to join the clubhouse, we will be there. We will be waiting for you. Making moves. Speaking of the clubhouse and making moves, I think we are finito here. So we attempted a couple opportunities, ended up deleting for good reasons, and I think now we wait for Trump. This 1 hour candle, this is my plan. Like if this 1 hour candle could actually close back below the range there, and then Trump starts yapping a bit, then you may see that move down. If we do start to remain and trade above 51 here, then we may see a move back north. So that's kind of my plan for the rest of the day here. 15 minutes super choppy there, so you got fake outs here. You might get another fake out here, being that the 4 hours bearish. So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. But yeah, tomorrow we'll wrap it up. Final stream of the week. If you guys aren't in the clubhouse and you guys want to join our weekly webinars, pull up. We'll be probably trading until like 11:30, maybe 12 today. So we'll see what Trump has to say, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. All right. Chat. Maybe Mike is in the house. All right. Better late
Maybe
than
Mike.
never. Better late than never.
Maybe.
There he is.
What up, baby Mike?
WB Mike.
Yeah. All right, gang. Hey, y'all be great, man. Don't overtrade. Don't over risk. Do the right thing. And we will see you guys tomorrow a little bit before NY Open, all right? Blessings, man. Blessings to you and your family. Let's see y'all tomorrow.
Peace, boys.
Later, chat.
Peace.
See ya.
Later, G's.
Peace.
Later. Let's go. All right, we out. Peace.
On me, thank God we straight. Even though I might pull up late, I ain't never too late. I'm saying my grace like God is great. Decorate this ice like birthday cake. Just tap to the food, I'll make my plate. I don't mean to be rude, you freak your face. Pull up in the church in the rave. You know I'm going on like Marvin Gaye. I keep on K, just pardon me. You new to the game like Shawshank. I gotta let go like love, forgive me. You know we in the house. We gotta go up like chimney. It's not just on me, it's in me. Devil, you can pull up in the hood if you want to. South Park, who killed Kenny? Father, Son, Holy Ghost. You don't want smoke with any. With any. Come on, let's go. 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 Come on, big go, big eye. forget them folks, but try to leave my way. I mean it. Memphis Rocky, hear your father, turn your cheek, don't fight. I'm rapping my tail off, I'm shipping the mail off. I'm getting my prayers off, taking my hands off. I wake in the morning and get out the box like Kellogg's. So much from day to day, feel like a featherweight, gave it to God to take care of. Hey, few, I let go, let God. Let me go catch my red eye.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Big O, big eye, big O, big eye, big O, big eye, big O, big eye. I am KB, that there 1K, tell them twin identical. Pride on minimal life behind these thoughts, my album criminal. I can't do subliminals, what you think is not this critical. Watch out, it'll go. Christ gon' trump your candidate body in this political. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I go petro, metro, retro, then I escrow my residuals. It's too formidable, them golden idols pitiful. I'm burning calves like elliptical, this is typical. Keep it minimal, teach you how to boy. I'm out here giving clinicals. Go hard as bicentennial, nothing mythical, need no rituals. Grace of God is on continual, my boy.
What's up, man? Come here.
They say there's no church in a while, but we've been wildin'. We've been on top for a while and let my crowd in. Fresh like everyday Easter, think I got a stylist. Had to shake back, get right, make my mama the proudest. Feel it in my body, can't nobody stop it. Drippin' like fluid, let my light shine like jewelry. Gotta stay humble, give it up, give it up. World is jungle. Give it up. You ain't gotta stand and tell the secrets. Bought the whip and now you got the beat slit. Play the beat, ate it up like a deep dish. Hammer time, that's to put him on the reach list. Sliding on the beat by Metro. Y'all's probably riding on the Metro. We in London where they call the gas petrol. Sign a record deal and hit the road, let's go. 20,000 in the crowd on stages. Birthday bash in Atlanta was amazing. Went to Diddy house with me, that's a day trip. They ain't know you really living in the Matrix. I seen him come straight out the east. Zaytoven gave him some beats. I told the young lion go eat. Follow the shepherd, watch out for the beast. They say there's no church in a while, but we've been wildin'. We've been on top for a while and let my crowd in. Fresh like everyday Easter, think I got a stylist. Had to shake back, get right, make my mama the proudest. Feel it in my body, can't nobody stop it. Drippin' like fluid, let my light shine like jewelry. Gotta stay humble, give it up, give it up. World is jungle, give it up, give it up.
I just came in with the Billy Goat gruff. When you bridging the gap, it got trolls on him. When they threw them stones at him, he rose on them. He got too many dubs, he dove on them. From the test, he gon' lift up the doors. Had to keep it going automatically. He brought the kid out the east, now they mad at me. Gospel rap back, I put that on your majesty. They bump their head, they must forgot who done opened the door. When crack came out, he made y'all switch up the flow. I think it's about time that I get y'all exposed. Y'all ain't really saving no souls. See, you treat religion like X's and O's. Y'all playing tic-tac-toe, they still worry about gold. Cradle with platinum.
They say there's no church in a while, but we've been wildin'. We've been on top for a while and let my crowd in. Fresh like everyday Easter, think I got a stylist. Had to shake back, get right, make my mama the proudest. Feel it in my body, can't nobody stop it. Drippin' like fluid, let my light shine like jewelry. Gotta stay humble, give it up, give it up. World is jungle, give it up, give it up.
Arms entwined, breathing one breath, you and I will touch the sky before the sky is gone. Tomorrow is for wise men, the wisdom just like death, it dies like yesterday, and yesterday is gone.
Yesterday gone, don't think about the past. Didn't know who I was under the mask. It look greener when you look at that grass. Jealousy make you blind to what you have. I never trip, never fall. I get up quick, clever. No, we won't be here forever. Walking with God made my principle better. When I was in school, they said I couldn't focus. The teacher would look at me like I was hopeless. Graduated and my eyes open. Coach said that you had to be chosen. I believed till I looked at Moses. Then I went to read by David and Saul. It ain't about if you gonna be chosen. It's about if you gon' answer the call. I'm about to ball, John Wall. This life gon' tick, time bomb. Nobody know when he gon' pop out the clouds. Stay ready until the time come. I wanna hear, well done. Shall I fillet me young? You never too old, you never too young. Come follow the king, moon song. Yesterday gone, don't think about the past. Didn't know who I was under the mask. It look greener when you look at that grass. Jealousy make you blind to what you have. I never trip, never fall. I get up quick, clever. No, we won't be here forever. Walking with God made my principle better. Turn me up in the wave. Enemy, he try to lead me astray. Thanking you when I don't know what to pray. Lying, why would I act like to pray? Free, why would I act like a slave? Diamonds, maybe it's cause of the chains. Live for you, even though I decay. I'm forgiven, so I threw out the shame. Oh, me gone, David, blame. Know that this life bring major pain. Tell me now, can you stand the rain? What you know about a Christian? It's a new edition. Listen, watch how I ball like a piston. Life is a gift, you better not miss it. Live it before it's a wrap like Christmas. Yesterday gone, don't think about the past. Didn't know who I was under the mask. It look greener when you look at that grass. Jealousy make you blind to what you have. I never trip, never fall. I get up quick, clever. No, we won't be here forever. Walking with God made my principle better.
Jesus, please have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. Have mercy on my family. Mercy on me. I got the weight of the world on my back. Feet on the table, my balance is bad. Ain't got no key, but I fetch out the leash. Everyone's telling me I need help. I need help. I need help.
Admitting that was the first step. Had to go out on my own, leave the bird's nest. Leap of faith, but my wings didn't work yet. Fell to the ground and the pain was the worst yet. Yeah, that's a lesson I ain't learned yet. Stripe I ain't learned yet. Gotta get knocked down twice so the third gon' hurt less. Got to the church steps, couldn't take the first step. I need help, I need some guidance, somebody controlling it. Got me a Bible, I took it right home with me. Put it right next to my bed and I said that I'd read it. The truth is I ain't even open it. If I'm being honest, I don't even pray. I need somebody to show me the way. I need somebody to tell me that nothing is wrong with me. Saying that I need help, but everything around me is falling to pieces. I cannot even remember what pieces. Feel like I'm slipping right into the deep end.